Hi, it's Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 18 Wheatcroft Street. This home is a grand old lady with gorgeous features. Come with us, let's take a quick tour. At the heart of this home is this combined dining lounge room, framed with this bay window that looks across the city of Rockhampton and to Mount Archer beyond. The kitchen's recently been updated with these gorgeous stone bench tops and subway tiles, and the windows here overlook the courtyard below. In Wheatcroft Street, the range is one of my favourite properties with striking street appeal, high ceilings and gorgeous period features and an address you'll love. If the team at McGrath can help you own this wonderful property, give us a call. We would love to help you out.